Juliana, as the sticker, open the sticker with grandma. Do you know how to open it? Yeah. Ay, dito sa gilid kaya. Now get the book. The book one. The book one. In the middle. Mm. Next, what's next? You want that one? Oh, you can put the love. Love. This one, love. See the purple one, no? Is it taller than you? This you got an elevator. Whoa. You got an elevator, anak. Look at the elevator. Put your girls in the elevator now. Where's the picture for the sticker? Ay, ito mother ni picture ng mga sticker. Mm. Wow, Jelana, that's huge. Mm, I know this. Wow. That's a huge one, Jelana. Pwede niya escalate elevator. Yeah. Okay, pizza, put it there so don't lose those toys. Remember, you don't lose those toys. Uh, thank you, Dad. Okay. Saan mo na ilalagay yung urong na yan? Saan mo ilalagay yan? Ang Diyos ko, ang laki. Kalahati ng bahay. Where you gonna put it, Jelana? Stay there? Oo nga, Rod. Upuan naman niya. Doon kaya, ay, hindi pa na. Oo nga, laki nga. Wow, popcorn. Ilagay mo na nga yung mga, hindi yung mga laruan doonin, itambay mo na Pila-pila. Oo, to. Busy pa siya dun. Si mother na mag-Barbie. Jelana, grandma will play Barbie while you're gone, okay? Oo nga, kalahati ng bahay. Uy. Tinitingnan niya dun Kaya hindi mo nga pwedeng itapon yung box Ay, ano yung mother? Buksan mo nga yan, mother ni Ata. Punas yan Jelana, grandma. Oh, palibutan yan Can grandma open that now? What? Grandma will play while she's at school. Is that okay, Jelana? Grandma will play Barbie tomorrow.